Okay, we'll start. Actually, there's some delay in this now. Opening this Zoom link. No problem. So we'll see now. We'll discuss this question. 20 question number 14 from your book. And before say doing the start now, Bhavya and other students who have joined late. So this was one thing I was telling. Every day, please try to solve one chapter of your NCERT book, one chapter of science, and one chapter of maths daily from at least from April 1st to the should be must, because we have only one in April. April is only 1 month left. So if you solve one chapter daily of maths, one chapter science, so in 15 days this the portion will be covered, because in maths we have 15 chapters, so daily one chapter means 15 chapter covered, and in science 14 chapters I think. 2 3 chapters they deleted, so 14 chapters in 14 days. And remaining times you can study other subjects like social and English also. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now we can see and how we can, and solving also I have explained. All examples you can try to solve from this chapters we have, which we have already covered. All examples you can try to solve, and then one second, all examples, and then alternate questions. Alternate questions can be, all examples is must for all the chapters of this, especially maths. And odd number of question, odd number question is question 1 3 5 15, or even also you can choose question 2, question 4, question 6. That's a dot. This will go on. For this height and distance chapter means application of trigonometry, you can follow odd sequence, because question number section will not come, because in question number section this is the complementary angle concept is the use in that question. That's why most probably this will, that question number section will not come. So you can take odd values, one question 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 and 15 we can try to solve. Now I'll see this question how we can solve. First we'll take triangle ACD. In triangle ACB, in triangle ACB, tan 60 will be equal to BC by AB. So what is BC value? BC will be 88.5, 88.2 minus 1.2, because total is 88.2. 1.2 will subtract, so this will be 87 meter, because 1.2 is the height of the girl, so we have to subtract that height to get the right. Bhavya, so your answer, it seems correct. We'll see what is the answer. So this will be 1060 is root 3, and BC will be 87, because 87 88.2 minus 1.2 will be 87 by AB value, and from this now we get AB value. So AB will be 87
87 by
by
root
root 3
3.
meter. That is equation 1 we can say, because we have to find value of BD, not AB, but that will be helpful here. Second triangle we can take triangle, big triangle, triangle AED. So in triangle AED, in triangle AED, we have this tan 30 degree, because angle is 30 degree, will be opposite by adjacent is P by B, ED by AD. So AD is basically 87, and AD will be, AD is not known, so we can write AB plus BD, no issue. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 will be equal to 87 by AB plus BD, correct. So now this will do cross multiplication. So AB plus BD will be equal to 87 root 3. Now we can write AB value. AB was 87 by root 3. No problem. So AB we write 87 by root 3 plus BD equal to 87 root 3. And this is basically equation number 2. This is basically equation number 2. And from 1 and 2 we can write AB value 87 by root 3 from 1 plus BD equal to 87 root 3. So here we can write BD value. BD will be equal to how much? 80. BD only we have to find 87 root 3 minus this AB value 87 by root 3. We can solve this equation to get the final value of BD. So BD will be 87. We better take 87 common. So this will be root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Correct. So hence BD will be equal to 87, and this we can take root 3 as LCM. So this is root 3 into root 3, how much value? 3. 3 minus 1. This will be 87 into 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3. Now we can rationalize root 3 value because in the numerator side we will not keep root value. So this will be 87 into root 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So root 3 will be 3. So this we can write as 87 into, see root, actually it is
2.
right, 2 value is there. So 87 into 2 into root 3 by 3. So this will cut basically 8. See how we can divide, this will be factor because 3 will factor of 87 because 8 plus 6, 7 is 15. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. So 87 will also be divisible by 3. This will come 8, 3 to 6. 2 will be there. 2 and 7, 27. So 3, 9 are 27. So 29 into 2 into root 3. So this will be 58 root 3. Values are in meter. So this will be in meter. So BT will be this is 58 root 3 because this is in meter. This value is in meter. So 58 root 3 meter. So BD will be equal to C because height is not changing, only horizontal position is changing. So BD will be equal to C. So hence we can write C equal to BD equal to distance between this now, distance total by balloon in that time period will be a 58 root 3 value. 58 root 3 right now Nit. So see now others can note the solution. See basically try to understand the pattern because now first we'll take this triangle ACB, and there from this triangle we'll find the relation between BC and AB. Tan 60 will take, that is root 3. BC is known 87 because 88.2 minus 1.2 will be 87, and after that we will take this one, this triangle, big triangle AED triangle, and from that we'll find a relation between ED and AD, and we'll take 30 degree, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and try to solve. Important relation we'll get, that is equation 1. AB is 87 by root 3 meter. We leave as it is. And second important relation we'll get, that is AB plus BD, that is AD value. AB plus BD, that is AD value 87 root 3. And by using these two equations, we'll get the value of, we can say, BD, that is equal to AC, which will come 58 root 3. Please solve. Two only important relation, AB is 87 by root 3, and then we have one more relation, AB plus BD is 87 root 3. From those relations we'll get the answer. So this is your PDF format of your book. Okay. Now let's see question number. One example was there, that is important. Other question are similar type. You can try and you'll be able to solve. This question everybody will try. Question example number 7. Let me see if I am able to paste here or not. Example 7. 1 second. I'm good. So yeah, find the width of the river. Please try this question. Question number, because diagram is also not given. If you see the question, diagram is not given. So this was the question, and here is the same question. Everybody will try this question. From a point on the bridge, you can put a star mark also. From a point on the bridge across a river, angles of depressions of the banks of the opposite sides of the river are 30 45 degree respectively. If the bridge is at height of 3 meter from the banks means this edge of the, we can say, river, find the width of the river. And those who are finding difficulty, then they can write IDK privately in chat to me, because it may be possible that you didn't get the answer or you find difficulty in this question. Riyan, Prabhanjan, Navneet, Harshita. Anyone got the answer for this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the answer? Okay, you have
3 into 3
root
root plus 1.
3 root 3 in bracket 1 plus root 3. Okay. Root 3 in bracket 1 plus root 3. Root 3 plus 3. Okay. Fine. No problem. 3 plus root 3. Root 3 1 plus root 3. Please try. Please check the answer once again, and others also try.
So I said 3 root 3 plus 3.
Okay. 3 root 3 plus 3. Fine. What about the others? Harshita, Navneet, Prabhanjan, Riyan. Either solve or write in chat IDK. I don't know.
Sir, trying it.
Okay. Normally for any question, 5 minutes is sufficient, but still I'll wait for another 2 minutes. Okay, Navneet. Okay, Navneet, your answer is correct. 3 in bracket 1 plus root 3 meter. Okay, fine. So I got answer from two of them, Bhavya and Navneet. Now we'll see the solution. See, suppose we have the bridge like this. First one is imagination very much required. This is bridge basically, and this is basically one point at the this the point on the bridge can be anywhere on the bridge at any position, and this is river basically river water. Suppose in this side, suppose in this side this river, this the bank of the river means edge of the river goes till here and here till here, and bridge will be at some height. Bridge will be at some height because bridge height will be above this river. So from this point, from two positions of the bank, we have this. Suppose this is the one point, and so normally if we look straight, not in 3D, so we'll get straight line only. But actually, this is basically top view. You can say top view will be like this. But in actually, we have like this diagram. This is point, one point A on the bridge, and this is the height of the bridge. This is the height of the bridge. Let this point be this 90 degree, and let this na on left hand side, this edge is at far away from the base of the we can say bridge. Base of the bridge is B point, so this is far, so angle will be less. What is less angle? 30 degree. So we can take this is depression angle. So first we'll make depression angle, that is going down. This angle is 30 degree. So basically these are horizontal lines only, that means parallel. So this will be, let this point be C 30 degree, and this is 45 degree more. So more angle will be very near. More angle will be very near. So this will be, let us take till here. So this is more angle, and again depression will be here 45 degree. So these are parallel lines. So this will be 45 degree, correct. That's one imagination very important. If you imagine, so we will get the diagram, correct diagram, because diagram is important for solving this question. AB will be height of the bridge, that is 3 meter, and we have to find the width of the river. So this is, let this point be D. So to find this will be width of the river. So we can write width of the river, and from one point, this is edge wheels we are observing. So this will be C, and D will be edge points basically of the river. So we can take two triangles now to find the values. Two angles are coming, so we can take two triangles. So in triangle ABC, 1030, 1030 will take 1030. After drawing this figure, now we can quickly find the value of CD. 1030 will be equal to P by B, or opposite by adjacent, AB by BC. In place of P by B, now better to write AB by BC. So AB is given 3 meter, 3 will write, and BC is not known. And root 3, you can put arrow. 1030 will be 1 by root 3. So this basically, we got BC value, cross multiplication 3 root 3 meter, because height of the bridge is given in meter, so this will be meter only. Now we can take other triangle, that is triangle ABD. So we write in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, this will be tan 45 degree will be AB by BD. Tan 45 is 1, AB we know 3, and BD will be BD itself because BD is not known. So BD is basically 3 meter because height of the bridge is 3 meter. Now we got the values of this now BC and BD. Hence width of the river equal to BC plus BD. So BC will be equal to uh, from here we can get the value of BC 3 root 3 plus 3 3 root 3 plus 1 meter will be the final answer. Please note the solution those who have couldn't solve this question. So most important is to draw the correct diagram, and from that now you can use this. Now we can imagine basically this is bridge and this is one point on the bridge, and edge of the river will be endpoints basically. Endpoints is the bank or you can say edge of the river. So these 2 points we can observe from this one point on the bridge. So if you properly draw in 3D, so this will be top view. Actual diagram will be this one. From a point, these are the portion of the banks of the rivers. Opposite basically opposite positions here they have given, and we can draw basically right. So opposite from the point on the bank across the river, angles of depression of the bank, opposite sides basically, exactly opposite ends will be C and D. Depression 30, the elevation will be 30. Depression 45, the elevation will be 45. This is the height of the bridge given 30 meter. So this we can plot like this. 30 meter proper diagram is important, right? We can find the width of the bridge as BC plus BD. Please note the solution. Then move to next question. You can see if you have book now, you can right now you can open the books, those who have, and because I will inform once when you have to open or not. Now you can solve question number. Those who have solved this question, Avni and Bhavya, you can try question number 15 from the book. Question number 15 from your NCERT book, and others can note the solution first.
Sir, can you show once again the question?
Question is here.
Yes, sir, done.
No, okay. Please try, and others will also try after noting the solution of previous question. So now everyone will try question number 15. From here you can see the question. A state highway leads to the foot of the tower. Okay, a man is standing at the top of the tower, observes a car. He observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. Starting angle was 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. Means constant speed. Uniform speed is basically constant speed. 6 seconds later, means after 6 seconds, the angle of depression of the car, means from the top of the tower he is observing, is 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. This is also question number 15. Also, you can put a star mark. And within 5 minutes, everyone will try, because if you, normally the question will be solved in 5 minutes if you know the answer, if you know the steps and the process. If not, then this now 15 minutes also it can take in solving. Okay, Bhavya, you have said I don't know. So others can also write IDK. Then we'll see how we can solve this question. Very important to admit that see, now we don't know anything. Then only we can work upon that. Okay, Rishta, I will wait for another 1 minute. You can try. Others can also try. Anyone got the answer? 3 seconds. Okay, Navneet. 3 seconds, Rishta also. Fine. So, no problem. We'll see now how we can solve. So, state highway leads to the foot of the tower. Means state highway is there, and if you follow this highway, foot of the tower we can meet. We can go to till foot of the tower. Man is standing at the top of the tower and observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So this is the diagram. Suppose this is top of the tower. We can have this as a tower basically, and this will be tower, and we can write A here and B here. A is the top position. We can say top position of the tower. Now, man is standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So suppose car is because see if you notice, first angle is 30 degree, then angle is 60 degree. So 30 degree will be far away. See, this 30 will be far away, and 60 will be very near. 60 will be very near. Every time this concept will repeats. So if 30 will be far away, let this angle will be this one. With the help of scale, you can draw. This will be C. The depression means from horizontal, this will be 30 degree, and from here it will be 30 degree, and after time of 6 seconds uniform speed. So uniform speed means constant speed. We can say this is constant speed, same speed or constant speed, that is uniform speed. 6 seconds later, six after 6 seconds, angle of depression of car, same car, changes to 60 degree. Find the time taken of the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. From this point means from that position, how much time it will take more to reach the this the foot of the tower. Okay, so let this position be D. An angle of depression is in this case will be 60 degree because it changes from 30 degree. Now this will be more angle. More angle means near. So this will again elevation because parallel lines, then alternative angle. This will be 60 degree. And time taken for this now from going from C to D, because in this time only angle changes from 30 to 60 degree. So time taken is T equal to, you can say T1, 6 seconds. Time taken is 6 seconds. You have to find the time taken by this car from going from D to B, that is time with T2 equal to question mark. The first thing we write, let the speed of the car be u. See, they are the seconds they are used, seconds they have used. So we'll take meter per second, not kilometer per hour, because meter per second is good option. Meter per second, and let the speed of the car be u meter per second, which is uniform. Uniform means same, constant, uniform throughout throughout the motion, means it is not changing. Basically uniform means it is constant throughout the motion. Now see, we'll same process, we'll take triangle ACB in right angle triangle, in triangle ACB, or we can say in right angle triangle ACB, 1030 will be equal to AB, B by B, BC. 1030 is basically 1 by root 3, AB we don't know, by BC. Okay, so we can say AB by, this will be AB by BC. BC we can write as CD plus DB. 1030 is 1 by root 3. So we can write AB in terms of CD and BD. So AB will be equal to basically CD plus DB by root 3. This is equation 1. Simply we write this now. AB in terms of CD and BD. Second case also we will take smaller triangle, this one ABD, and follow the same process. In triangle ABD, 1060 will be equal to P by B, or opposite by adjacent AB by BD. So 1060 will AB will be AB, BD will be BD, and 1060 is basically root 3. So we write AB in terms of BD, hence AB will be equal to root 3 BD. This is equation 2. Now we can equate equation 1 and 2 because both are of AB value. Equation 1 equal to equation 2 we get. So can we write CD plus DB by root 3 equal to root 3 BD? First equation we got from triangle, this the big triangle ACB. First equation we got from triangle ACB, that is 1030 will be equal to, this is B portion, 1030 will be equal to AB by BD, AB by BC, so BC will be CD plus BD. And second equation we got from triangle, this one smaller triangle basically ADB, ADB. So in this triangle we got this equation 1060 will be equal to AB by BD, and we have found this AB value in terms of CD BD, and then in first equation, and then AB value in terms of BD. So both we can equate. We'll do cross multiplication. So this will be CD plus BD will be equal to 3 BD. So this will be CD equal to 2 BD. This one important addition we got. CD is twice of BD. CD is twice of BD. CD is twice of BD. So CD is twice of BD. That is very important result, because from this result only we'll get the final answer. See, CD is twice of BD. So time taken, time one will be, time is basically in any question where distance time is there. So directly we can use the formula, time will be equal to distance by speed. Time will be equal to distance by speed. Time T1 will be equal to distance CD by speed. Speed is u. Time is equal to distance by speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. This we know. So CD we can know, CD will be, and time one was 6 seconds, because we know time one was 6 seconds. It is given. So this will be 6u. CD will be 6u. 6u will be CD, because time is distance by speed. T1 is 6 equal to CD by u. CD will be 6u. So what will be value of then BD? 6u is the CD. Hence BD will be equal to CD by 2. So CD is 6u by 2, 3u. BD we got, distance we got 3u. Hence time T2 will be equal to distance by speed. Distance is BD, speed is u, because speed is same uniform speed. So BD we got 3u by speed is u, that is 3. 3 means 3 seconds. Hence time required for that car to go from B to D, from D to B, basically D to B will be only 3 seconds. Only 3 seconds. So from here also we can see, from here how we can observe that this is 6 seconds and this is basically half. Speed is same. Speed is same, so time will be half basically. The
So
CD
can you
is,
again explain from 6u?
see, 6u how you got. First we take simple
From
relation.
the
Right,
purple part.
one second, no problem. See, first we'll take simple process with what we have followed in previous question. Triangle ACDB, and we'll take AB relation find in terms of CD and BD. This is was question 1. Similarly, we'll take triangle ADB. We get AB relation in terms of BD. We'll get equate and solve. Now, if you solve, you get this value. CD will be double of BD. See, logically also this is proper step, but logically also if you notice one thing, CD is double of BD. Suppose CD is double of BD. So whatever distance CD, that will be double of BD. BD is basically half of CD, and speed is same. So time will be double. Distance is half, so time will be half, because speed equal to distance by time. And we can say here distance will be equal to time into speed. So speed is same, so time double, distance double. Distance half, time will be half. Speed equal to distance by time, distance will be time into speed. So speed is same, so time is directly proportional to distance. Time double, distance half, time half. So CD is double of BD. So how much time it is taking from C to D? 6 seconds. So BD is half of CD, so automatically this will take 3 seconds only, because speed is same. So time will take half of the time. So we got, now we can see here CD will be equal to twice of BD. So what is CD value? So CD, we can say CD will be speed. CD is distance, speed into time. So speed is u and time is 6 seconds they have given. CD will be speed into time. Speed is u. We have taken initially, speed is u and time is 6. So 6u is the CD. And from this relation, we can find BD value. So BD will be half of CD. CD by 2. BD will be CD by 2. CD by 2. So this will 3u. BD distance we got 3u in terms of speed u, because speed is not given. You can take u value because it's uniform same. So T2 will be, time will be distance by speed. Distance 3u, speed is same u everywhere. So u, you can say 3 seconds will be the final answer. So time